Hello YouTubers, Tarun from SRTech, and today we'll be unboxing the Xiaomi Mi Band. So this Mi Band, I've got it maybe 3 to 4 months ago, and I've already unboxed it and also already posted the video on my channel, but for some personal reasons I've deleted that channel. So now I've created again a new channel with the same name. So I'm doing it again, so sorry for that one. So it's pretty much basic. You just get this box. Inside you have the Mi logo, the invoice, the tax invoice with the Mi branding, and the box itself, and that's it. That's pretty basic. So this I've got it for $999. If you guys can see it over here. Yep, it's over here. Mi Band Black 199. Oh, sorry, 999. If you want to buy, you can also buy the scraps. So I bought a scrap from eBay. This is a duplicate one, but it's pretty good. I bought it from eBay. We'll check it out. So now the Mi Band. So I have this box in which you have the band and soft cushioning with the Mi branding on the top. Oops, I dropped it. Okay, then you have the core itself in this cardboard thing. Ouch. So this is the core with the two prongs so that to use for charging. Then you have the band itself, the original band. You have this quick start guide, in which is a pretty long guide. Nobody's possibly gonna read it. If you read, it's good for you. Then the other thing you get from the box is the charger itself. So this charger can be used to charge the Mi core or the Mi Band, just like this, and put the USB into the USB port on your computer / charger. So guys, that's pretty much from the box. I'll put all these aside and just take a look at the band itself. So that's the original band. I'm putting it in. As we're going to see the duplicate band or the replica one. So this is some band, everything written in Chinese, can't read it. So it shows the Mi Band, the Mi core, and how to wear it. That's pretty much. Okay. So here's the band. So it looks almost like original with that feel of that one. So I'll just put the core into the band. So for putting it, these prongs should be facing towards the holes of this band. Just push it in, and that's it. We're ready to go. That's it, guys. That's the Mi Band. So guys, this was the video on the unboxing of the Mi Band. If you like, please do click the like button. And also subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, it's SRTech98. If you have any queries, drop it down in the comment section. We'll reply. Then the review video will be out soon. Please do also have a look at that. So stay subscribed. Thank you for watching this. Bye bye.